Oh, you woke up. Yeah, he was dreaming, so I got it on tape. Petey, were you dreaming, buddy? You were having a dream, weren't you? I'm sorry. Layla, you just think you can lay on anybody, don't you? Yes, you do.